Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Hara Custom Raikiri. Interesting knife with a mirror polish on that grind. Very cool. You can, let's see if I tilt this the right direction. Oh, you can definitely see the camera lens there. And there's our light. But yeah, this is a super reflective blade. Really neat. I kind of like that. Overall length is 8 3/4 of an inch. Blade length 3 3/4 of an inch of VG10 steel, and it is in a Wharncliffe blade shape, nice and angular, pretty cool. Neat thing about this blade is that it's got some jimping right here, where you can reach up and get your finger on that for detail work. It's a neat detail. I like that. Handles are 5 inches in length, and they are made of Duralumin, which I have not heard of before, but if I had to guess, it is a proprietary aluminum brand or something like that. Stainless steel liners, and it is a liner lock. You can see right there. And the overall weight on this guy is 4.91 ounces. Here's a technical clothespin for size comparison. And you do have a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. It's an interesting one. It's very low profile, very flat, so might be a little trickier getting it in and out of your pocket, but I would imagine that it's going to hold very, very nicely in your pocket. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the Hara Custom Raikiri. Check it out at bladehq.com. Hey look, there's me.